Thanks for sharing your plan. I've got it open in X12. I don't have Home Designer Pro on my computer, but basically the same thing. Just to make it easier to look at all this, I'm going to turn off the terrain features. Don't need the perimeter, don't need labels or the contours. And I don't commonly use the grid, so I'm going to turn that off. Okay, so like the picture, I guess there's no roof over here. There's a screwy looking roof. No, okay, that's the before it's all screwed up view. I assume you want this sort of thing to just wrap around. So I'm going to go Shift F6. And on the plan view, two-dimensional screen, I'm going to take this roof plane here and move it over here. Basically turning off auto roofs. Auto roofs are useful up to a point. Now, I don't see the roof baselines. I need that on when you're going to manually edit roofs. You need to have the roofs baselines on. Roofs. Baselines. See, it's unchecked. Oh, yeah, okay. This is the roof baseline, and that's the pitch indicator. I'm going to take this, use point-to-point move, and move the baseline right on the edge of the supporting wall. That's where it goes. Okay, now this one, it's going to stretch it out. Of course, this will look goofy in the meantime, but that's all right. We're manually editing. I'm going to join these two edges. Okay. Now this part that's going into the house, of course, that's goofy. We don't want that. So I'm going to use the break line tool to break the line. Start out right there next to that wall. And so this goes into the house, it'll tear up the wall and so forth. So I don't want that. Yeah, we're getting there. Now this doesn't look right. See what pitch you got on this one. Where's the dial? There it is. 4.5. What's this? 6. Okay. That's why the geometry looks goofy. Different pitches. I don't know why you did that, but we'll come back to that. I'm going to make this. I want the fascia tops to match. So when I open the dialog box, I'm going to change the lock position to the fascia top and then change the pitch to 4.5, 4.5. So it'll pivot from the fascia top. I still don't like that interfering. Well, I'll tell you what. Let me see what the fascia top is of this roof. That's 99.25. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to delete this. It's just a notion I had. And the fascia top on this one is to block the pitch and make the fascia tops the same. Well, they weren't that much different, but you want them all matching. I'm going to take this one and join it to that one. Leaves a little bit of a hole there, but I'll just fix that manually. Okay, now I'm going to go over here in plan view. You can see where that's causing a hole here. So I'm going to drag that up to this wall. And then break it at the corner. And just fill that hole up. Should chop that wall up. Yeah, it did. And I'm going to zoom in here and make this a little tighter. You want to be outside the siding, but not inside of it. I'm going to get rid of that break. And that's pretty much done. That's good enough. Now this end, excuse me, it's springtime. I've got allergies. Okay, so we got, well, that's the camera. Basically, I need to close this hole here. So, excuse me, I'm going to break that right there at the edge of that roof so I can fill that hole up like that. That's good enough. I mean, you could probably diddle with it and get it better, but I think that's what you were after. Let's see if that fascia top thing. No, we're okay over here. I'd say that's a done. And depending on auto settings is just stupid. I'm not saying you're stupid. I'm just saying depending on auto settings is not as pro survival, I'll put it that way, as learning how to manually edit roofs. The auto roof generator works up to a degree, and then past that, you have to step in and just do what I did to get a product. I don't think you would ever get it correct. Perhaps you could. I don't know everything, but I got this done, and I got it done quickly by using the tools that are provided and working within the barriers and parameters built, kind of built into the software. So I hope this helps you, and whether it does or not, have a great day.